Interlace size is a tunable parameter associated with which 3 levels of RAID? Choose 3. Option A. RAID 0. Option B. RAID 1. Option C. RAID 5. Option D. RAID 0+1. The correct answer is option A, C, D. In which situation will Solaris Volume Manager volumes continue to function normally in the event of the corruption of one copy of its state database? Option A. Solaris Volume Manager volumes will function normally if the master copy of the state database is not corrupted. Option B. Solaris Volume Manager volumes will function normally if the copy of the state database 1th boot disk is available. Option C. Solaris Volume Manager volumes will function normally if no more than a single copy of the state database is corrupted. Option D. Solaris Volume Manager volumes will function normally if more than half of the copies of state database are available. The correct answer is option D. Which statement about RAID levels is true? Option A. RAID 5 uses distributed parity. Option B. RAID 0+1 provides no advantage over RAID 1. Option C. RAID 0 refers to striping but not to concatenation. Option D. RAID 1 is the only RAID level providing redundancy. The correct answer is option A. Solaris Volume Manager uses a state database. What are 2 functions of a state database? Choose 2. Option A. A state database is a location for the storage of volume definitions. Option B. A state database is a location for the storage of RAID 5 volume parity. Option C. A state database is a location for the storage file system metadata, facilitating FSCK. Option D. A state database is a location in which state information for each volume is maintained. The correct answer is option A, D.